Alright, so this is my unboxing, showcase and early impressions for the Casio AE-1600H. This watch has been on my radar now for some time, so I was really excited to get it today. Love the sea and the earth. I'm not sure if that message is on all of the new Casio boxes, so here we are, about to get it out of the box. And it is super nice. And there's your paperwork. So let's take a look around the watch, and as you can see, it is a really nice looking watch. I love the big display, it looks awesome. Not a massive fan of this line between the buttons here. As you can see, the two cases kind of matching up. But it's got a really nice thick strap to it. That's really good. And yeah, it's a nice looking watch, man. Very good. And obviously that's the tag with the model number on. So let's take a look at the functions. Obviously, you've got your time and date, your alarm, you've got 5 of those. You've got your timer, you've got your stopwatch, and you've got your dual time. Pretty standard stuff, nothing amazing really, to be honest with you. So this is the back, and it's obviously stainless steel. Not too much to look at really. And I'm going to test out the light here. As you can see, it's not the best. It's not the best light, unfortunately. Does make things visible in the dark, but it's not terribly strong. And we're going to have a look what it looks like on the wrist now. Took those scary gloves off. I think it looks really cool on the wrist. Really nice chunky watch. And it feels really good as well. It's really quite comfortable on the wrist. So yeah, very nice watch. It was only £30 in the UK. I don't know how much it is in the US. But yeah, there we go.